Getting straight into the video, the first thing that I'm doing, I'm taking the NYX white eyeshadow base and I'm going to outline the shape of my butterfly. The reason why I took the white eyeshadow base to create the outline instead of just going in and using the black, one, it creates a more pigmented base for the black to appear better on, and so that it won't be as messy with me to just go in with the black eyeshadow. Now, I don't try to go too perfect with this because I'm going to go over the black to create more of a desired shape, but it's just an outline to give me an idea of what I want. And later on throughout the video, you're going to see me go back in and correct some of the imperfections I made while creating the outline of my butterfly.
She reminds me of the West Side Story, growing up in Spanish Harlem. She's living the life just like a movie star. Oh, Maria, Maria, oh, she fell in love with starting to the sounds of the guitar. Played by Carlos Santana. I don't know if you can take it. I know you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna be your baby, baby, baby. Spinning in his leg just like
Now for me, it was a little harder going on the other side of my face, trying to figure out how to angle my brush, and also so you all can see it, but just as a general statement, it was harder for me on the other side. So if you struggle, I struggle too.
taking. I heard he got his going crazy. You're a treat you like a lady. Fuck you, burned out cremation. Make it cream, yeah, boot. Front back, bouquet. Call me and I can get it juicy. Cause I can tell you're gone after Tuesday.
Tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring it steadily when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Yeah. Shoes on my feet,
I bought it.
clothes I'm wearing,
I bought it.
rock I'm rocking.
I bought it.
Let it been on me. Yeah. Watch I'm wearing,
I bought it.
house I live in,
I bought
the
it.
car I'm driving.
I bought it.
That depend on me. Wow.
Now I'm taking the black from my Kat Von D metallic palette and I'm going back in and I'm going along the edges of my butterfly, like the wings and the bottom part of the wings, and I'm filling that in. Taking the black, I'm using my smudge brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics.
Growing up in Spanish Harlem.
When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.
Yeah, yeah, baby, come closer. Baby, come closer.
Did you see what I done? Came in a black Benz, left in a white one. I'm just a hoodlum, I came with a bun and my brothers wanna try some. Did you see what I done? Came in a black Benz, left in a white one. I'm just a hoodlum, I came with a bun and my brothers wanna try some.
Came looking like a ganja farmer. Your daddy better hide his daughter. She come by just like a tortoise. Splashed up on the
Now I'm changing the angle of the brush and I'm going to smear instead of dab the black, creating a more of an outline, going past my white outline and creating the desired shape that I want my black to be on.
They never seen it, you should feel it. Meet and greet it. Oh, man, them thinking I'm awesome.
And baby, I come with caution.
True say we came with a bun some.
But you say you came for the bunda.
Some round thing that you can get your
I
paws
would
on.
like to get to know if I could be
Oh, if you could be
the kind of guy that you would be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of girl that I should make a move on.
to mix up in drama, to go outside. To mix up in drama, to free my mind.
Now I'm going back in with the white eyeshadow base and I'm applying that on the inner part of the butterfly so that the color that I applied next, like I did the black, will appear more pigmented than it would be to just put the color on by itself. And you're going to see that I left some of the corners of the butterfly unshaded with the black, and that is because I'm going to create an effect of the next color I'm putting on. Now I'm taking the color Pulp Fiction from It's My Pleasure palette from ColourPop, and I'm using that as the darker shade of pink to apply to the bottom and around the bit of the corners up top of my butterfly with my smudge brush.
Nobody gonna love me better. I'm gonna stick with you forever. Nobody gonna take me higher. I'm gonna stick with you. Yeah, you know how to appreciate me. I'm gonna stick with you, my baby. Nobody ever made me feel this way. I'm gonna stick with you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a brother so cheap. And your flex so D and your sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it, girl.
Taking the lighter peach color from my Kat Von D metallic palette, and I'm applying that, filling in the spots that I left empty to blend out the lighter pink into the darker pink to create a more soft, smooth transition effect.
Give you my last name. No, you tired of the same. That's okay. Little baby in a bag in her Birkin. No, not a fire, put the work in. Flaws in all, I love them all. To me, you're perfect. Baby, you got it, girl. You got it, girl. Hey. You got it, girl. You got it. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. For my last name. No, you tired.
Here now I am creating the body, I guess, the body of the butterfly. I'm going to admit, for me, this is a simple thing, but it took me so long. You're going to see further through the video that I went and added a tail off camera because it took so long for me to get the right shape that I desired, and I was concealing spots to fix my mistakes, and it was just a lot. So what you see on camera is not what you get at the end.
I'm gonna stick with you, my baby. You know how to appreciate it. I'm gonna stick with you, my baby. Nobody ever made me feel this way. I'm gonna stick with you. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. You. I don't wanna.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Now I'm taking black eyeliner to create the full detailed shape of my butterfly, and I'm going to start towards the outer corner and bring it more in towards the body of the butterfly, and I'm just adding asterisk marks along my butterfly to make it look more realistic. You can use a picture of a butterfly for inspiration. That's what I did. I didn't just go in and freestyle. I'm not that artistic, but if you are, you can do that, but it's easier to use a picture to create the look that you're going for.
Tell his boys I wanna meet him. A second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give him game proper, spit it so we'll get it. There he is, I gotta stop him. Should I talk about his smile? Oh, what about his style? He's at the door, I gotta go for mine. I don't know your name, but excuse me, I saw you from across the room. Well, I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me wanna say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, I save a last dance for you.
Now I'm taking white eyeliner and adding the finishing touches of the little dot accent marks on the butterfly, and I'm going to apply my mascara, eyeliner, and glitter on the side of my nose off camera. And that's the finished look. Thank you for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe, comment, and like.